Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It is JJ. It is Saturday, July 9th. Currently 12:30 in the afternoon. It is 92 degrees here in Dunedin, Florida. Today I will be taking you through Dunedin, Florida. It's a cool, quaint town. It's an old Scottish town, very eclectic. It's got all kinds of different gift shops, from a pocketary shops to vintage clothing stores, local artisans that have their own shops there. But today there will be a farmer's market downtown Dunedin. I will be taking you through Dunedin and showing you all the beautiful sights. This is a beautiful scenic drive. This is Edgewater Drive. It runs through Dunedin, right on the water, old historic homes. So come along with JJ today as we go toward Dunedin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. In downtown Dunedin, local market they have every Saturday, something for everybody. Vendors, we got Naughty Birds, Critters, they got a PVC, we got music kicking, we got fish shred, we got something for everybody here in downtown Dunedin. So if you're ever in Clearwater, Tampa, Orlando area, making a trip to Dunedin, so here I am at the Rolling Pin homemade bakery. So what's your name?
My name's Emily. I'm the owner of the Rolling Pin and the baker. We specialize in giant gourmet cookies. Today we had 12 different flavors that we are offering. We are down to 7 flavors, and we've been in business for a little over 2 years, going into 3 years now.
Isn't this awesome? So I got me, what I get, the ultimate PB lover. So I'm going to try that here in a little bit. We do have her socials. She is on Instagram, Facebook. Oh, it's backwards. No. But this is downtown Dunedin. We're here once a month?
About twice a month now. So we'll be here twice at least for August as well.
Nice. Well, it was nice meeting you, and I can't wait to try my peanut butter cookies.
Absolutely. Nice
Thank you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Yeah, like I said, there's all kinds of different thrifty stores and fusion restaurants. What they call it, chic, I guess chic, vintage stores, art stores. We got the Patent Bow Boutique right here. Different bars and live music.
Hey Mom, I'm gonna go in the car. Was it calling for Thunder earlier?
So we got vintage stores. Oh, different. Something
It's
for
paying about 1:30. So I'm just gonna go grab the car and move it down here. Okay, honey.
you. Say you're gonna
Sorry.
move it.
anyways,
Vintage stores. Yeah. No, I'm good. I'm just filming a vlog. I'm vintage stores in Dunedin. Always now, can you tell my chat a little bit about it? I'm doing a YouTube thing in Dunedin. So you only open on Saturday? Saturday. Oh, okay, nice. Very nice. You ever want to book that? So this is the living room, restaurant, lounge. I said every place on this strip is unique and eclectic. So we're on Main Street and Highland Avenue in Dunedin, Florida. Awesome little town. So as you see, everything is dog related. So as you see, Dunedin is very dog friendly. They have a Wolfgang Dunedin. We're here on Main Street and Highland Avenue in Dunedin, Florida. Let's go check out what they have for the little fur babies here at Wolfgang Bakery and Grooming. Let's go hang out with the dogs. Oh yeah, it's a cool little place.
with the slight behind. No, something with like that juice flavor and
Hey doggy. They got dog ice cream. I think the dog wants to say hi to me. Hello. Pretty dog. I'm just doing a YouTube video in Dunedin. Yes. I live in Clearwater. I'm born and raised right here.
Oh, that's so cool.
I was born in Morton Plant, so
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
yeah. But I don't have you live. I'm just doing a thing on all the different shops.
That's
So.
so great. Thank you so much.
You have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Aren't they so friendly here? Yeah, Wolfgang Bakery. He's hanging out with the dogs. And you walk next door, get you something to eat. So this is a flying bulldog that's right next door to the Wolfgang Bakery. So you can go get some for your fur babies and come over here and get a cold beverage, a sandwich, a little cool little restaurant here. We got live music. Dunedin has a lot of craft breweries here. That'll be on another tour, another video I'll show you about all the craft breweries here in Dunedin, Florida. So this is a local favorite for families. It's Strachan's Ice Cream and Homemade Desserts. It's been here for over 30 years. I mean, you talk about getting yourself a good gourmet ice cream cone right here in downtown Dunedin at Strachan's Homemade Ice Cream and Desserts. Let's go inside and see what they got. Look at these homemade desserts. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah. Look, it's hot here in Florida today. I stopped at Instructions Ice Cream to cool off an AC. It is a warm 94 degrees here in Dunedin, Florida, but I'm here at Instructions, homemade ice cream and desserts. Oh, it smells amazing. This is here in downtown Dunedin.
Tony's Pizza. So what is it? See the guy stand there with the drink? You got pizza. Oh, I know. It's $28 per hour. And then I have to have my friend. No, I'm saying head. I don't want him to hurt himself. In the little hook.
And she'd been attached.
Couldn't really
I said, happy New Year. I said, I'll get flowers and close that up because it's so expensive. I didn't think they had. Oh, yeah. You don't lose it.
I am losing it.
I wonder if I can ask her a question. May I ask you a question? Okay, I'm looking for a wall holder for keys.
On the what?
A wall holder to hang keys.
We got lots of hooks over there.
Over where?
On the wall right down here at the end.
This is throwing a lot of stuff.
There is a lot of good ones.
It was loaded. It had ponies up and each down. It was really shattered. That was good. Yeah, well, this one had headers and probably some other stuff done to it.
But I hope y'all enjoyed this little tour of downtown Dunedin. I just seen a bunch of lightning bolts over there. It's about to storm. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Hear the thunder. Until we see each other again, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Do the next right thing and just stay awesome. JJ is out.